Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Honeywell T4 or T4R thermostat. So as you can see, this is your T4 or T4R thermostat. So in order to basically reset it, you have two different options. So first of all, you just have to press and hold the menu button. So this is going to be the menu button. It's this button that you need to press. Afterwards, you just have to press and hold it for at least 5 seconds until the advanced settings appear in front of you. Now, on some of the T4 and the T4R models, you will then use the plus and the minus buttons in order to navigate through the installer settings. Now, when you are inside the settings, you just have to simply take a look at this type of reset button. So from the given buttons over here, you need to select it, then simply just press OK, and then you just have to confirm the reset. Now if you want to reset it with the help of the button, you just have to simply locate this type of reset button, which is most probably behind your thermostat. So you need to simply press and hold this particular reset button for at least 10 to 15 seconds and wait for it to reset fully. So that's how you can basically reset it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.